This free application, which works on phones, tablets, laptops, and computers, pays people from all over the world every 60 seconds. We've never discussed it before. And all you have to do now is answer questions and earn PayPal money. You can make money while laying in your bed, walking to the beach, or out in nature. It's quite basic and simple. Before we go further to this video, I have a bonus tip for you. If you want to earn $100 a day, please check the first link in the description. Now, let's start the video. I'm going to use the desktop version, since it'll be easier for me to explain it to you. But you can totally use your phone and still make this much money with this application. I believe it works much better on your phone than it does on a laptop or PC. In this video, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks, so don't miss out on that. If you really want to make this work, stay tuned and watch this video until the end. Now, according to their official webpage, the goal of this app is to make the web a better place. And generating money with this app is a really fun process. And there are a few reasons why I really like it and why they think it's excellent for total beginners. You don't need any prior experience to do this. And it's quite easy. I'll go over everything in detail and show you how to do it step by step. Now, if you follow each and every step in this video and don't skip any, you'll have no problem generating money with this app. And the greatest part is they pay through PayPal. A large number of people use this application. I've done a lot of research and read a lot of reviews on this app. And everyone seems to be happy with how much money they're making. To get started, go to their official homepage on your phone, tablet, laptop, or computer. It's compatible with all of those devices. Now, I'd like to go to this website or app. And right here, it states sign up with email. Make a brand new account, so please input your valid email address. Once you've done that, you'll need to create a password for your account and confirm that password. After that, you'll need to read and agree to the terms outlined in General's privacy policy and terms of service. You will see that they sent you a confirmation email as soon as you hit enroll. Please click on Confirm My Account to activate your account by following the link in the email. You need to open your email and just click on Confirm My Account. Now simply log into your account and then tell them a little bit more about yourself. You'll need to give entire name as well as your first and last name. Then hit I'm not a robot. So I'll just click on Continue. Since we can see it's a really fun process with a pretty great design and it feels really good to use this website. Before we go any deeper, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. Because I upload daily new methods to make money online. And before we continue, I have bonus tip for you. If you want to make $100 a day easily, check the first link in description. Now, let's get back. I'm going to show you an example test and explain exactly what you'll need to do with this website to get money. So, I'll accept your challenges by clicking accept and it will begin their basic and easy challenge. Let's do this. I'll answer my PayPal address so they may pay me again and again. And I propose you do the same. So just type your PayPal email address where you want to be paid. And then select the languages to speak. Now if you speak English and another language, you can choose more languages. The more you know, the more money you will earn, because you'll have more tasks and missions to complete. For now, I'll just select English and hit continue. They'll ask you for your country code. And as you can see, they accept people from all over the world. This is a new feature. Previously, they only accept people from top countries, like the United States, the United Kingdom, Canada, and Australia. But now, they accept people from all over the world, which is why I like it and why I recommend it. Anyway, I'll enter my phone number and click continue. They'll question you about your country. So just answer that. They'll also ask you whether you want us to give you a test as soon as they're available. And some people make the mistake of hitting no. But if you do, you'll be placed on a waiting list. So click the yes button. I highly recommend it. And you'll be able to make a lot more money with this website. And then hit continue. Choose your gender, your birth date, and your education level. Now, regardless of your level of education, I strongly advise you to pursue higher levels. So even if you completed high school, I suggest you choose a college graduate or postgraduate. What happens is that, the greater level of education you declare, the more tasks you'll have, and the more money you will make. And trust me, it doesn't matter if you're not a true college graduate. Now click continue to choose your day job. If you don't work in any industry, or even if you don't have the job, choose whatever you like and click continue. Now enter a couple of your skills or abilities. The more you enter, the more money you can make. They're searching for people who can do a lot of things and also have a lot going on in their lives. So the more you enter, the better. Okay, so how do you make money? And if you don't have a job, choose whatever you want for your yearly income. Even if it's zero, I encourage you to choose as much as you can, which could be 6 digits or even more. Because the bigger your yearly income, the more jobs you'll get, and obviously, the more money you'll make. I know it's not fair, but that's how it works. And that's how it is. Now answer to a few of your hobbies or interests. Now, it will ask you to describe your computer proficiency and how many hours per day you spent on the internet. If you select less than an hour, we will most likely be declined. And you'll most likely be banned from this website. Because they're not looking for people who do not even use the internet. You must choose between 4 to 5 hours and 6 or more hours. They will ask you what device you can test on. If you have both a mobile and a desktop, I recommend you select both. If you also have a tablet right now, you can make even more money and triple your earnings with this website. Because you can now do the tests on all your devices. After that, simply click Finish Registration to complete the process. As you can see, you've been approved if you've been following all of the previous stuff that I've shown you. If you've skipped some of the parts, you may have been declined. And I'm really sorry, but you should have followed all the steps. Now, after we finished creating your account, click on Take Me to My Dashboard so we can start completing those missions and earn money. As you can see, they'll offer you a variety of random questions from which you can earn money. For example, if they ask you, have you ever heckled a comedian? I'll respond yes. And click continue. The more questions you answer, the better. Yes, the progress bars will change anytime I respond to a question. And that's how simple it is. You simply answer these questions by clicking yes or no. And when new tests become available, they will either send you an email notification, or you can simply log into your Brand and Real Lab account and see if new tests are available. You simply take the test, which can take less than a minute. And you can get paid anywhere from $4 to $15. They'll ask you questions, and you'll be asked to provide some insight into their websites, their services, and so on. But it's completely free. As you can see, it took us less than 2 minutes to join up and begin answering these questions. Once you have enough points, you can cash out to PayPal and get paid again and again. Now obviously, this app will not make you rich. You may be able to make a few dollars here and there. But it will not be a life-changing income. By the way, this website is called unrollapp.com. Simply type that link into your browser and search it on your computer, phone, or tablet to start earning money wherever you are. Or if you don't want to do that, check the first link in description to learn my secret method to earn $100 per day. That wraps up today's video. Please smash the like button and make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. If you have further questions, feel free to comment down below. See you in the next video.